How to permanently blouse your ABUs or ODUs or any type of uniform that needs to be bloused. If you place the blousing strand within this hem, you never have to worry about it again. It's permanently affixed. You just turn it under a little bit and put it on in your boots, and it's permanently bloused forever. What you do is you need to cut the strings out if they got strings, but like the Coast Guard ODUs have two little tiny holes right here. What you do is you take you a zip tie, put your blousing band through the zip tie, and you feed the zip tie through the hole all the way, and as you push it in, you will grab it here and then you will pull, and then you'll push, grab, push, grab, push, grab, push, grab, until you get all the way around till you get to the other side. I'll show you that in a minute. Now ABUs, there was no hole inside these. Okay, so I simply cut a little bit of the thread right there on that seam so I can take and run my zip tie up through that hem. I can't really do it to show you now because there's a blousing band in there already, but you just do this little action like this and you pull it all the way around. Then when you get to the end of your hole here, oh, there's the connector right there. When you get to the end, you just unhook your blousing band. Another thing that can help you is you take a pair of dikes and cut this zip tie or razor blade and cut that zip tie right there so it'll snap in there, and if you pull that little locking tab out, your zip tie or your blousing band will fit right inside of there. Once you get it all the way around, then what I like to do, you could hook it like this, but the way I prefer to do this is untwist it a little bit, take your hook, hook it through there, and then you take the other side, untwist it a little bit, hook it through there. Then take you a pair of needle nose pliers, crimp that, and just like that, and then it will be permanently attached inside your legs, and so you don't have to worry about blousing bands or that Velcro stuff or anything, especially if they've already got holes in there. Now some of the army ones I've seen where they've got pull tabs strings through there that are sewed there. You might need to cut those threads a little bit to get inside of there. The only problem I see with this is eventually the hooks might rust when you launder the pants, but if you tuck this right underneath the second eyelet in your boots, it is permanently bloused, and no reason to ever have to worry about blousing bands or tucking them into your boots, because they're already done, pre-bloused, just like that.